Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backpack sprayers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling weeds, fertilizing your garden, or spraying pesticides, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RealWork 4-gallon backpack sprayer. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $50.52, making it a great pick for light-duty home and garden use. It features a funnel-top design for easy filling and a translucent tank so you can monitor liquid levels as you go. With padded shoulder straps and a locking trigger, it's designed for convenience and comfort during operation. The adjustable nozzle provides versatility for various spraying needs, from watering plants to applying weed killer. In terms of build quality, the RealWork sprayer uses polyethylene materials, which are lightweight but durable enough for casual use. However, its chemical-resistant seals and reinforced hose offer added reliability, especially for handling mild chemicals. Performance-wise, it's efficient for small to medium spraying tasks, but the manual pump and lower build quality may not hold up to intensive, prolonged use. While it's not the most robust sprayer on the list, it's perfect for homeowners looking for a reliable, budget-friendly solution for garden maintenance or pest control. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, while cons are its lower durability and limited comfort for extended use. If you're on a tight budget, this sprayer is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the VaxMay battery-powered backpack sprayer. Priced at $82.93, this sprayer is a fantastic option for those who want strong performance without breaking the bank. Its standout feature is compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, offering convenience for users who already own Makita tools. With a robust 100 psi maximum pressure, this sprayer delivers powerful streams for heavy-duty applications, like targeting distant areas or fine misting for delicate plants. The telescopic wand extends up to 39 inches, ensuring you can reach even the trickiest spots. The design is ergonomic, with thickened backpack straps and a waist support system to minimize strain during longer use sessions. The translucent tank lets you monitor liquid levels easily, and the digital voltage display ensures you're always aware of battery life. Build quality is solid, featuring high-density polyethylene and polypropylene materials that stand up to wear and tear. Additionally, the VaxMay sprayer's upgraded storage area is perfect for keeping accessories organized. This sprayer is ideal for gardeners and landscapers who need reliable, long-lasting power for larger tasks. Pros include its high-pressure, battery compatibility, and comfortable design, while cons are the slightly higher weight and reliance on a Makita battery system. Overall, it's a versatile sprayer for both professional and DIY use. Coming in at number 3 is the PetraTools HD 4000 battery-powered backpack sprayer. While the price isn't listed, it's a premium choice for those who want maximum convenience and durability. This sprayer boasts an impressive battery life of 6 to 8 hours, capable of pumping through 200+ gallons on a single charge. With adjustable pressure settings ranging from 40 to 90 psi, it's versatile enough for everything from delicate misting to powerful streams for tougher spraying tasks. The padded straps and back pad add extra comfort, making it ideal for long-duration use. The build quality is exceptional, with a heavy-duty 4-gallon tank and an extendable wand that reaches up to 34.5 inches. The translucent tank includes measurement markers, so you'll always know how much liquid you have left. It also comes with 6 different spray nozzles, giving you complete control over your spraying pattern. The American family-owned brand provides 24/7 customer support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. This sprayer is a great choice for professionals or homeowners with larger properties. Its pros are the extended battery life, versatility, and durable construction, while cons include the heavier weight and higher upfront investment. If you're looking for a premium electric option, the PetraTools HD 4000 won't disappoint. At number 2, we have the Field King 190328 backpack sprayer, priced at $84.99. This sprayer is packed with features, including an internal no-leak pump design that ensures chemicals don't drip down your back. With a powerful piston pump that delivers up to 150 psi, this sprayer is perfect for tackling professional-grade tasks like spraying herbicides and pesticides on larger areas. It includes 6 different nozzles, ranging from adjustable brass to foaming options, giving you flexibility for various applications. The build quality is robust, featuring a durable poly wand with high-quality Viton seals that are compatible with both wettable powders and liquid chemicals. The premium lockable shutoff adds convenience, while the inline filter prevents clogs during operation. The ergonomic design includes padded straps, but it's slightly heavier at 12.8 pounds, which may be noticeable during prolonged use. This sprayer is ideal for professionals or serious DIYers who need maximum performance and durability for demanding jobs. Pros include the high-pressure, versatile nozzles, and leak-proof design, while cons are the heavier weight and manual operation. Overall, the Field King 190328 offers great value for those who need a reliable and powerful manual backpack sprayer. Finally, at number 1, we have the Solo 425 4-gallon piston backpack sprayer, priced at $89.95. This premium sprayer is the top choice for those who need precision, durability, and comfort in a manual sprayer. The piston pump delivers a wide pressure range of up to 90 psi, allowing you to spray liquid fertilizers, herbicides, pesticides, and disinfectants with ease. Its 20-inch unbreakable wand and 48-inch reinforced hose provide excellent reach, making it perfect for tree, shrub, and plant protection. The Solo 425 is built with high-density polyethylene, HDPE, for long-lasting durability, and Viton seals are strategically placed to ensure leak-free operation. The tank's extra-large opening makes filling and cleaning quick and easy, while the interchangeable pump handle accommodates both left and right-handed users. The sprayer includes 4 commercial-grade nozzles and is T-Jet compatible for even more versatility. This sprayer is ideal for professionals who need a rugged and reliable tool for a variety of applications. The pros are its durable construction, ease of use, and excellent pressure control, while cons include its slightly higher price and manual operation. If you're looking for the best overall backpack sprayer, the Solo 425 is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.